In this video, we are going to discuss about virtual service desk, which is the third model of service desk. So what is virtual service desk? The virtual service desk is by using the extensive technology an appearance of a single or centralized desk. That means if you have an automated issues which have automated diagnosis, those are all is embedded into a technology and we create an IVR. So take an example. If a person is calling from Hyderabad to a 1-800 number, and from 1-800 number he has a PC issues, these all are categorized based on this technology and a self diagnosis IVR is created, and whenever he follows that IVR he will be directed through a diagnosis which is a common diagnosis provided to PC issues. And you can see primarily used in offshoring kind of services. That means whenever international client has customers in domestic like India, if you take an example of US, when it has customers in India, so it creates an offshore kind of services, so that it creates this virtual service desk to troubleshoot on their own. You can take as an advantage maximum use of technology, so minimum personnel is involved. So here you can see maximum use of technology by creating IVRs for known problems or issues or incident and creating the self diagnosis IVR, so that the personal involvement is minimized. Less number of requests go unregistered. That means after all this diagnosis, it can filter all the registered number of requests and also go unregistered any other number of requests which are needed. Disadvantage: expensive to use. So maintaining these IVRs and updating regularly is very expensive. Physical support may not be possible, because since it's an offshore, when you plan for an offshore services like this, the physical support may not be possible. You can see a diagrammatic example here for the virtual service desk. You see ABC Limited Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore and Delhi here. And when a person, the first caller from Hyderabad is calling 1-800 number, it goes to network cloud. The same way with Delhi, the same way with Bangalore and the same way with Pune. After going to network cloud where the IVRs are configured for the known issues, after that also if that doesn't resolve the problem of the user, the first caller will be going to the international service desk which is in Sydney. The same way the second caller answered by the service desk in London, and the third caller with New York, and the fourth caller with Beijing. So in this way, if there is any offshore services needs to be provided, an IVR is created for the company. So these customers first go to the network cloud where the IVR is situated. From there, if the problem is not resolved by the self diagnosis, it will be transferred to the international service desk calls, so they will solve the issues.